These information has to be out there long time. 200 million spent to do investigation on something that they already knew. They knew what caused the meltdown. They knew it is the thing against the Michael Manley administration. They knew that the Siaga agenda with the CIA caused the meltdown. I see a lot of labor rights promoting FINSAC from way back when. It was the heavy promotion was in this 2015 campaign against the Portia Simpson administration. Yeah, FINSAC. It was so devastated that every time you turn on the news, the radio, a FINSAC and the devastation that happened then. And would you know, from my knowledge now, from what I've read and learned, that FINSAC is a thing that is eating out our nation. And the real truth behind it never surfaced. And the media houses them know the truth. But politically, they hide it.
Sir Bell, how you doing, my brother?
We're good in a man. What go on?
Well, I'm here. I got up this morning, I was doing something else until somebody sent me this that you're going to have Omar on.
Yes.
And believe you me, I must take this publicly and apologize to Dr. Omar Davis.
Oh?
One of the reasons why I want to apologize to him is because I have always said he's the one who allowed some of my family members to lose everything.
Talk to me now.
And no, I'm being honest.
Yes.
I am being honest. I'm and you know, when I hear him speak this morning, I said to myself, but wait. I didn't know people get back their money.
You see what I'm talking about?
I wasn't
Jeffrey?
aware of it.
The man said everybody get back their money.
And Colin, believe you me, this morning when I hear him say it, I had to take back my words because people keep on saying to me, Mr. Jeffrey, be careful with that because whatever, I'm not shutting them out. But this morning when because I've been scanning through the thing that they put out, you know.
Right.
And the Jamaican people must ask the members of the Jamaica Labour Party, especially the Minister of Jamaica's world-class Minister of Finance. Why is it that you all cannot tell the Jamaican people the truth? Why is it? Where in the report did you all doctored?
You hear what Dr. Davis is asking for? The audited reports. Because what Dr. Davis is saying, there are about 3 or 4 audited reports, 3 of them from international agencies that came in to do the auditing in the inquiry. Those reports are not on the website.
My God.
From what I'm reading, from what I'm observing, these information has to be out there long time. It can't be just them sitting here just a pop-up out of the shadows. 100 and me would have put it 200 million spent to do investigation on something that they already knew. They already knew what happened. They knew what caused the meltdown. The media houses, they knew what causes the meltdown. They knew. They knew it is the thing against the Michael Manley administration. They knew that the Siaga agenda with the CIA caused the meltdown. They knew that 1976 attack against the then administration, which is the Michael Manley administration, they knew that that's where it's coming from. They knew the agenda behind those attacks. They knew that the target for the US dollar started under the Siaga administration. They knew all these things. Good night, Comrade Carleen. Thanks for joining. Yeah? They knew that in 1988, when Siaga stretched out the election, they knew that Siaga have all these things hiding. They knew the media houses them me attack to. You see why me have to build my platform them? Me a build my platform them because you know why? Media houses is not credible to me anymore. Me don't want to watch nothing where media houses have to put out. Me don't want Me no want nothing to do with them. Because these persons supposed to be the person to steer the country in the right direction. To put out the first news, the news that's supposed to be reaching the populace. The real news towards the people of Jamaica. No. You know what you guys do? You know, sit down upon the truth in our big offices and tell your workers, say, yo, write up, sit down and send a road there for me. Send that go give people them. The old idiot them. Because anything you dash upon them, then take it and run with it. And remember, it's like you have somebody who are dead for hunger and come to you for some food to eat. And because you know say them vulnerable, you give them anything to eat. That's how you treat Jamaican people. You know say, we have to depend upon. We give we the news. And you know what you do? You take advantage of it and eat up the truth. Many years have passed. And you guys know what caused the meltdown. Janelle, big up, yeah? The Prime Minister, FINSAC bail out so many politicians back then that was on the labor right side. Bail out the labor right, big neck them. FINSAC, where them a try tarnish now. Same FINSAC where them a try spread false propaganda upon. The same FINSAC where Dr. Omar Davis has put in so much work in. And I see the Jamaica Labour Party proceed. Thanks for the gift, Caroline. The Jamaica Labour Party then proceed to spread false propaganda. And Dr. Omar Davis spreading his name widely and far.
They only listen to what people say. And they can't learn that way. You see? They can't learn that way. So that is why they are so backward and don't understand what is happening. They need to understand that the JLP and the leaders of the JLP are set off. You put them in a barrier of people. You mentioned the Posha era. Right now, a member of the JLP losing voice. You think it happened by chance? Because he tell much. I'm talking about other.
These lies that you guys use for 2016 and 2020, done. Comprehende. Done. You can't use that again. Done. Finish. You can't dash with that now. You can move on. Yeah. Different